Hello and welcome to KhazinaDigital. I'm your host, and for over a decade I've seen the revolution of digital menu boards sweep across the QSR industry. From Aberdeen to the heart of London, these dynamic screens are everywhere. But here's a secret, a big one. Most QSRs are barely scratching the surface of what these powerful tools can do. Think about it. You've invested in sleek, modern digital menu boards. They look fantastic, sure. But are they truly working for you? For many, these amazing screens are just fancy replacements for static chalkboards. Updated with a USB stick every now and then, manual updates, stale content, missed opportunities. It's like owning a Ferrari but only driving it to the corner shop. Here at KhazinaDigital, we believe there's a science to successful digital signage, especially for QSRS. It's not just about what looks good, it's about what sells, what engages, and what drives your bottom line. You're missing out on vital strategies that can transform a simple menu display into a profit-generating powerhouse. Imagine a world where your menu boards automatically promote high-margin items during peak hours, where they suggest irresistible upsells at the perfect moment. They capture your customers' attention, reduce perceived wait times, and even gather valuable data to inform your business decisions. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of properly utilized digital signage. Over the next 6 episodes, we're going to dive deep into unlocking this potential. We'll reveal the secrets, share the strategies, and empower you to turn your digital menu boards from a static display into your most dynamic and effective marketing and sales tool. Stop leaving money on the table. Join us next time as we kick things off by exploring the psychology of the pixel, designing menus that sell. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KhazinaDigital for more expert insights.